Mi Band 6 India launch in June. Amazon availability, specs, Mi Band 6 India price. Mi Band 6 India launch date is now expected in June only alongside Mi 11 Lite. While the company is yet to confirm Mi Band 6 India availability, Mi Band 6 launch in India is said to happen in a few days. Country head, Manu Kumar Jain on Twitter confirmed Mi 11 Lite launch in India, and Mi Band 6 is expected to be unveiled alongside. Mi Band 6 price in India will stay between 2,200 rupees to 2,500 rupees. Mi Band 6 in comparison to the predecessor this time comes with a larger 1.56-inch AMOLED touchscreen display with a standby time of up to 14 days. Check out everything about the upcoming Mi Band 6 launch in India. Mi Smart Band 6 specs. Mi Band 6 specs. Features Mi Band 6 has a larger 1.56-inch AMOLED touchscreen display offering a screen resolution of 152 by 486 pixels. Mi Band 6 has a pixel density of 326 pixels per inch with 450 nits of peak brightness and is waterproof up to 50 meters. The band houses a 125 mAh battery, claimed by the company to deliver a standby time of up to 14 days. The band can be charged completely in 2 hours and supports Bluetooth 5.0. The Smart Band supports up to 30 sports models and can auto-detect 6 activities like walking, running, indoor treadmill and cycling. Mi Band 6 has 24/7 blood pressure monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2, and heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. Mi Band 6 India launch date. Mi Band 6 India launch. Mi Band 6 price in India. Mi Band 6 India launch date is now expected in June alongside Mi 11 Lite. The Mi Smart Band 6 India launch may happen alongside the upcoming Mi device. The company is yet to confirm Mi Band 6 India availability. Mi Band 6 has been launched in 2 variants. The base variant model is priced at 229 Chinese yuan, around 2,500 rupees. The Mi Band 6 Special Edition with NFC is priced at 279 Chinese yuan, around 3,000 rupees. Mi Band 6 is available in black, blue, brown, green, orange, silver, white, and yellow color options. Mi Band 6 India availability is expected in a few weeks from now. Mi Band 6 price in India is going to be very competitive this time given the number of competitors, so expect the price to stay between 2,200 rupees to 2,500 rupees. Mi Band 6 price in India may start at 2,299 rupees or the same old 2,499 rupees price tag.